Hey guys, welcome back to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram logging not working. So first thing first, make sure that you have updated your Instagram and you are using the latest version of your app. Head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. But in case you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now, once it is so, open your application. Now, for security reasons, you might not be able to see my screen, but that is a login page. Go ahead, enter your credentials, make sure they are correct, and try to log in. If you are still not being able to log in, then you can also try it from your browser. For that, open your Chrome or any of your preferred web application. Then at the top search bar, type in Instagram login. Select login Instagram, and in here, type in your username and password and select login. And likewise, you will be able to log in. And if you are still not being able to log in, then there is something wrong with your username or password. You may go ahead and type in username, select forgot password, and reset your account. This is how you can solve your problem. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. If you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and queries, and the link is right down below. So go ahead, click onto it, and join it.